Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tremaine and today I'm back with a new video. Today I will be talking about this teeth whitening kit that I received from Nova Shine. They are based in America and they send kits all over the world. I live in Europe and I got my kit within I think 3 or 5 days. So I was very excited when I got my package and I'm very excited to try it out. They say you only have to try it or use it for 5 days and then you will see a big difference. So I'm excited about that. Like, I make sure that I have a clean and nice smile, but my teeth aren't extremely white. They're nice, but they could be whiter. So I am excited to try out their kit, and hopefully it will be so amazing to me that I can also recommend it to you guys to try it out. And if you do, I will definitely make sure you get a little, discount. So I received my package yesterday and I will be trying it out today. And I think I'm gonna do it in this video. Is gonna have different kind of clips because I'm gonna use it today. And I'm gonna use it like the next 4 or 5 days, and I will show you each time when I use it if my teeth get whiter. So the box is very cute. It has their logo on it. It says Nova Shine Professional Teeth Whitening, a product by Nana Nova. And let me see, they say you have to, before whitening, rinse your mouth. Before whitening, rinse your mouth or gently brush teeth. Apply whitening gel to the upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece and place the mouthpiece in your mouth and bite lightly. Okay, so, it also has a USB attachment and you can use your phone or your laptop to charge it. Also, of course, it has a little plug too, and you have to relax for 15 minutes with a little mouthpiece in your mouth. And for maximum results, you have to leave it on for at least 30 minutes. I'm excited. I'm gonna show you everything, and you know what? Let me open the box and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so when you open the box, you see this little card and it says, "Here's to a brighter you, Nova Shine." Okay, that's cute. And then, you see 2 boxes in there, and under the, you see the first box, you see this little card so you can measure up, to see what shade your teeth are. Okay, before whitening, record your state. Okay, so I have to check out which shade my teeth are right now, and then when I'm done, I have to see if they're number 1 or number 2. No, number 1, 2, or 3. Those are the whitest shades. So in this little box, this is the first box that had like the shade card. Let's see what's in it. Oh, the charger. Oh, you have a little bag so you can put your stuff in there. Cute, that's cute. Okay, so I see like the mouthpiece you have to use to whiten your teeth. It looks so funny, you see that? Okay, I have to, card. Oh, and this is the USB. Oh, so you can put, they have one for iPhone, Android, computer. Okay, Nova White. Oh, Nova Shine. I said Nova White. It's called Nova Shine. I'm sorry, Nova Shine Teeth Whitening. Not Nova White, Nova Shine. Let me get the next box. Okay, the second box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this one has the gels in there. Okay, y'all see that? Can you see it? Oh, insert another clip. But this has the whitening gel in there. Okay, I don't think it's that difficult to work with. And they also said it's good for people, like I said, that I don't know if I said it, but it's good for people that have sensitive teeth. And the reason I'm pointing this side of my face is because I have a tooth that is extremely sensitive, because I used to brush my teeth with hard toothbrushes, which is not good, and you can really damage your teeth. So people, don't do that. Only use soft brushes, okay? Don't use hard brushes. But I have sensitive teeth, so whenever I eat ice cream or something else that is cold, it hurts. So I usually chew on this side, but I want to be able to chew on this side too. So I brush my teeth with Sensodyne, I don't know what y'all call it, but I'm gonna insert a picture right here. I use that, but you know, they're saying it's okay for people with sensitive teeth to use this one too. So I'm very excited to try this out. Oh my gosh. Whew. If I can really get whiter teeth before, you know, the holidays and stuff, that would be amazing, because then I have, you know, a more beautiful smile when I take pictures. But I'm excited. It looks cute, and I don't think it's that hard to use it. So I'm gonna use it tonight, and then I'm gonna use it 4 or 5 more days, and I will show you my results. And if it's good, you guys, I will definitely let you know, and I will definitely leave the discount code in my description box, so you guys can also get you a teeth whitening kit by Novashine. Hi guys, I wasn't able to use the teeth whitening kit yesterday, so I decided to do it today. Today is Monday, so I'll be doing it today from Monday till Friday, maybe Saturday too, but I'm gonna start with 5 days. And I just checked the shade card to see what shade I have, and right now I'm on shade 5. So that isn't too bad. I thought I was maybe a 6 or a 7, but I'm at shade 5 right now. So hopefully Friday or Saturday I will be at shade 2 or 1, because those are the whitest shades. So I'm gonna be eating right now because I'm very hungry, and after I ate I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes, then I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna use the little teeth whitening kit, and I will let you know if I feel anything weird and how the gel tastes, because I think it's minty, but I don't know what it tastes like. But I will let you guys know, and then I will insert clips from today, Monday, until Friday or Saturday. Hi guys, today is day 6 of me using the teeth whitening kit. I have some positive things to say about it and one little negative thing, but other than that, the kit was very amazing. But before I continue to talk about the whole kit and everything, let's just talk about this one little thing I did not like. One thing I did not like about the teeth whitening kit is the taste of the gel. I do not like the taste of it. It's minty, but it also has a little sour taste to it, and I don't like it. It made me a little nauseous. The first time I used it, I was like, okay, I do not like the taste. The second day, I was still not really liking it. Third day, I was fine with it. Fourth and fifth day too. And then this morning, I used it again, and I don't know. I'm not crazy about the taste. But other than that, the kit is very amazing. Like I said, I think I started at shade 5 and I've been using it for 6 days, and today I'm at shade 3, which isn't too bad. Shade 3 is kind of good actually. Like number 1, 2 and 3 are the widest shades you can get, so 3 isn't that bad for only using it for 6 days. So I think I'm gonna use it like maybe for a couple of weeks more, and if I really get to shade 1, that will be amazing, but shade 3 really isn't that bad. Very easy to use. The only thing you have to do is put a little bit of gel on the mouthpiece. You put it on the top, on the bottom. You plug it into your phone, your iPad, your tablet, doesn't matter what device you use, you can just plug it in. You put it in your mouth, you leave it in for 10 or 15 minutes. Some people leave it in for 30 minutes, which is fine as well. And then you just wait, and you can do other things, and you can just do your thing. You don't have to sit still like, no. You can do whatever you want to do. and you can use it once or twice a day. I did it in the morning a couple of times and in the evening. Sometimes I only did it in the evening after I ate, I brush my teeth, and then I use it before going to bed. Like I said, the taste of it isn't that amazing. I didn't like the taste, but I think it's different. I mean, I read that some people like the taste of it. Me personally, I did not like the taste of it, so it's different for everybody. But other than that, I think the kit is very good. I think it's amazing, and I saw a result within a week. So I think that if I use it a couple of times more, then I will definitely have a white smile. So I definitely recommend you guys to use it. I will leave a link to the website. You guys can also check it out, read their reviews. They also have an Instagram. I will also put it in the description box so you guys can check it out. I will leave the discount code in it, and hopefully you guys will be able to purchase one too and see a quick result using Nova Kid Shine. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, and I will see you next time. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!